It's nature. Nature causes erosion. No drama. People dramatise just to make money from YouTube. I love Bali. This is my home and I'm proud of it. I love to see people enjoying themselves, getting a great Bali experience, and that's what you're seeing here on Kuta Beach this evening. We're just sat on the stone. Good late afternoon, early evening from Bali, Indonesia. So we're approaching 6 p.m. I'm here in the Kuta area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a beach walking tour along Kuta Beach. So the starting point for today's video is going to be the main gate entrance at Jalan Pantai Kuta onto Kuta Beach, and I'm going to gradually make my way along Kuta Beach, just taking in everything along the way. So this area of Kuta Beach is going to be featured in today's video. I imagine it's going to be pretty busy on the beach section here, so we're going to show you all the activity on the beach, all the drink sellers and things, all the seating options, and just give you a general idea what you can expect from Kuta Beach during the sunset time here in the Kuta area of Bali. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a beach stroll here in Kuta. Okay, so here's the main gate entrance to Kuta Beach, where we're going to step foot through in a moment and walk along Kuta Beach. This is the street of Jalan Pantai Kuta. Jalan Pantai Kuta in this direction. Now we're going to cut across the street and walk through the gates to Kuta Beach. Traffic's absolutely mental crazy here. Oh la la, wow. So here we are on the beach. We'll just take you to the edge here first of all. Wow, lots of people, super busy. The sun's not far off setting now. Get onto the back of the track and we'll cut down on the beach in the back of the track and just keep weaving in and out. Just give you some idea of the activity on the beach here. Some ladies at the back there selling clothes and sarongs and things. Some drink sellers here, they're just packing the umbrellas up now because the sun has gone. So here's the drink sellers. This one's Danny's Bar, cold drink, coconuts, fresh coconuts. There's all your different drinks available. Some soft drinks also. Hot noodles. Lots of drink sellers on the back of the beach there. And some nice beautiful beach beanbag seating down the bottom there also. Surfboard rentals, surfboards lessons also here. Rocky Kuta Learn to Surf Bali. It's getting close to sunset. So everyone's sat on the top here at the back of the beach, and then there's a little bit of a ledge down, and then the sand is down in the bottom there. So busy, so many people. All these sellers at the back here. Super busy. Tourists here. Tourists here. Wow. Everybody's just sitting and waiting for the sun to set. So that's enough of the path. We're going to step down now and walk on the beach a little bit. So you can see there's plenty of people down here. Super busy. There's a view of the rock there leading up to the top, the seating area. A little bit of erosion at this beach, but still beautiful. Still a very popular beach, as you can see. Some people on YouTube post a lot of negativity, always showing the negative side of this beach. This is the positive side. Lots of people. This is how I love to see it. So busy. Walk through this section now. See lots of people everywhere here. Tourists, Indonesian. Everybody just sat relaxing, drinking, eating, enjoying themselves. There's a Kuta hotel in the distance there. So the ladies selling here. Some people just sat on the beach. Kadek bar or Kadek bintang. So many people just chilling, relaxing. Beanbags, plastic chairs, all here on the beach. Wow, look how busy it's getting up in this section here now. Ooh la la. So many people. People here having the coconuts. Many tourists enjoying Kuta Beach. Big group here with the children. A lady trying to sell them something there. Some Indonesian here. Wow. Nice. So busy up in this section here. We're going to walk through a big crowd in a moment. Some people are just sat up on the top, but most appear to be sat down on the beach here. Some are just sat on the stone. I don't understand why some of these people on YouTube are so into showing the negative part of this. Yeah. So beautiful. It's a good job many people disagree with them and coming here to the beach, enjoying themselves, relaxing. It's nature. Nature causes erosion. No drama. People dramatise just to make money from YouTube. I love Bali. This is my home and I'm proud of it. I love to see people enjoying themselves, getting a great Bali experience, and that's what you're seeing here on Kuta Beach this evening. We don't need to show the erosion and things like that. How are you, brother? Some nice friendly people here, the Indonesians again saying hello. Good mixture of tourists, Indonesian, all along the beach here. So all your drink sellers are all along the back of the beach. It's all pretty much the same in there. I want you to see that Kuta Beach is busy, it's vibrant. People love to come here. Still very, very popular. Coconut seems to be a very popular choice on the beach here. Yeah, just a note to all tourists, you've no need to worry about Kuta Beach. The further this way you come, the less are the problems with the erosion caused by the ocean. Well, you can see it's so busy in that direction. Just sat on the back of the beach as well here. Some people just sat enjoying, relaxing. Oh, it's so busy up there. Okay, I'm going to get back up onto the path now. We've reached Beachwalk shopping mall out the back. I think this is where I'm going to end today's video. I have no specific place here to walk today. Just taking a photo there. So you can see many people here. So you can sit up on the top here, or you can sit down on the beach. As you move further up the beach, it gets less and less of a steep drop down. Kuta Beach is just fabulous. Lots of people agree with me. I'm going to get out now, and then we're going to be entering Beachwalk shopping mall, or the Daddy and Mum. A few empty chairs here, but there's no beanbag seating here. It seems to be more popular, the beanbag seating. It's usually a lot more comfortable, the beanbag seating. And this is where we're going to end the video and walk out here. And we're right opposite the Beachwalk shopping mall. So there's Beachwalk shopping mall. Starbucks coffee shop directly opposite the camera. A place called Arabica, which is another coffee shop. And then this is the main entrance to Beachwalk shopping mall. Okay, so that concludes today's video, my sunset stroll along a section of Kuta Beach. So as you've seen with the camera in today's video, everything is absolutely fabulous here at Kuta Beach. So what if there's a little bit of erosion at the back of the beach there? Please don't let that stop you from coming and visiting Kuta Beach. This is probably the most popular beach here in Bali. As you can see with the camera in today's video, there's many people that are still enjoying Kuta Beach, relaxing on the sand there, drinking, eating, just having a really good time. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, and please do take the time out to come and visit Kuta Beach. Don't listen to all the negativity of the beach erosion and things. Just take the time out and come and visit this wonderful beach. And I shall say bye for now.